There we go. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop. I said chickens. Oh, my bad, y'all. Oh, the little duckies. Hey. They swimming. Yeah, they cool. They chilling, y'all. Drinking water. Let me see. No, I don't have Medicare. No, I don't have Medicare. Had to sound like an African person for a little bit, y'all. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Ooh. What's up, guys? Today we going on a little adventure. Gotta head to Coral Springs today. Yeah. I would say Coral Springs, but I said Coral Reef. Getting on the train, tri-rail, should be here in a minute. Y'all boys, today we got like a long ride because we have to go to Coral Springs to get to our destination, bro. I'm in Pompano right now, so I gotta pass like, I think like one more city, Margate. Margate is the last city, and then I'll be in Coral Springs. I took the train here. Honestly, I'm gonna let that dude get in front of me. I would have took my scooter, but my scooter needs new wheels. So I'm gonna take my bike. I like riding on my bike though. Cruising. I don't have a, that's the only thing. The only thing I don't like about Dollar Tree when I'm going to like different stores to work is like, what's it called again? When you go to a different store, you could go at your own time. You don't have to go like a certain time. You go there, you do your work, and you leave after that. You leave at any time you want to sometimes. Sometimes they might want you to stay and help out, but I'll be leaving because I live like very far, bro. Like I live on the beach, so damn, all this water, fuck. And it went in my eye. Parasites. But nah. But yeah, I put some slime in my tires, bro, so they won't like go flat. in my back tire, my front tire's like lucky as hell. It don't be going flat at all. I was like, what the hell? But yeah. So bro, change the plans. I'm not going to Dollar Tree in my I gotta fix that. That shit, it's like ticking me. Like I don't like when my wheel and stuff mess up. It's like wiggly. I wanna know how you straighten that. I need to straighten that. Gotta turn this way. I gotta look up on YouTube or something how to straight line your wind back up or take it to the shop and ask some kid ain't like line it back up for me. So I don't know how to do that. Also too, I got slime in it, so it's like making it more. I got slime inside my wheel, so my wheel won't pop no more. So it's also making it more like wiggly, because it was not doing that way, it was just airing it. Oh shit, that's a drill. I'm gonna have to check that out when I come back, bro. I gotta get on that side. I wonder if they're gonna let me. Oh hell no. I thought I was gonna be able to get on that side. They definitely not gonna let me. Oh wait, maybe. If this black car could hurry up, I get in the turn lane. Alright, let's go. I didn't even see. Oh, I didn't even see that, bro.